Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical pool vacuum, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from pool vacuum, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pool vacuum from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum for Deep Cleaning and Strong Suction. Looking for the best pool vacuum for deep cleaning? The Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum is a game changer. Designed and engineered in the USA, this powerful vacuum features the WaterTech P30 motor, delivering increased suction power for quick and efficient debris pickup. Whether you need to spot clean in seconds or tackle your entire pool, this vacuum is perfect for in-ground and above-ground pools like Intex. Its large debris capture chamber and wide 10.5-inch vacuum head easily handle acorns, twigs, leaves, dirt, and sand. Plus, the cordless lithium-ion battery provides up to 1 hour of cleaning time with simple push-button operation. It conveniently attaches to any standard telescopic pole, making pool maintenance effortless. Backed by a 1-year warranty and USA-based customer service, the Pool Blaster Max is the ultimate tool for a crystal-clear pool. Order yours today. Number 2. Enhulk Pool Vacuum for above-ground pool with a telescopic pole. Make pool cleaning effortless with the Enhulk 20-volt cordless pool vacuum. Designed for above-ground pools, in-ground pools, spas, and hot tubs, this powerful vacuum delivers strong suction with a max flow rate of 18.5 gallons per minute, efficiently picking up acorns, twigs, leaves, dirt, and sand. Equipped with 2 brush heads, a triangular suction head, and a nose cone head, it easily cleans stairs, corners, and hard-to-reach areas. The included telescopic pole extends from 35.8 to 87.5 inches, providing versatile cleaning options for any pool size. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning with a rechargeable lithium battery that runs up to 60 minutes and fully recharges in just 1.5 hours. With easy tool-free assembly and simple operation, the Enhulk Pool Vacuum is perfect for keeping your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. No cords, no hoses, just powerful, hassle-free cleaning. Order yours today. Number 3. KOKIDO Pool Vacuum Device with 72-inch Pole 2 filters, moderate suction. Keep your pool spotless with the KOKIDO Extrovac 310 cordless pool vacuum. Designed for above-ground pools and pools up to 20 feet, this lightweight yet powerful vacuum features dual filtration with interchangeable filters, a 250 durable steel filter for gravel, sand, and leaves, and a 106 fine filter bag for finer debris. With moderate suction at 13 gallons per minute, it runs up to 45 minutes on a rechargeable lithium battery and is IPX8 waterproof for both cold and warm water use. The cordless design includes 2 vacuum heads, an XL triangular pivoting head for general floor cleaning, and a flat brush spot cleaner for tight spaces. The 72-inch aluminum pole makes maneuvering easy, and it's compatible with standard pool poles. Backed by 32 years of pool supply expertise and a 1-year warranty, this vacuum is your ultimate pool cleaning partner. Order now. Number 4. VINGLI Pool Vacuum Cleaner Automatic Sweeper Swimming Pool. Make pool cleaning effortless with the VINGLI Automatic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful suction pool cleaner is designed for in-ground pools, thoroughly cleaning both the floor and walls with ease. Unlike noisy automatic pool cleaners, the VINGLI sweeper operates quietly, creating a peaceful poolside experience. Easy to assemble and install, it connects to your existing 3x4 horsepower pump or 1,600 GPH filtration system for a hassle-free cleaning process. Featuring a wheel deflector for smooth navigation and scuff-resistant long-life hoses, it ensures tangle-free movement while protecting your pool's surface. Say goodbye to dirt, debris, and leaves. This vacuum provides consistent and efficient performance without jamming or interruptions. Plus, it comes with 10 3.3 feet durable hoses for extended reach. Backed by a 1-year worry-free warranty, VINGLI is committed to providing top-notch quality and customer support. Save time and enjoy a spotless pool effortlessly. Number 5. Intex Handheld Pool Vacuum Cleaner, rechargeable, 94-inch telescoping shaft. Keep your pool and spa sparkling clean with the Intex Handheld Pool Vacuum Cleaner. Designed for above-ground pools up to 18 feet and all pure spas, this powerful rechargeable vacuum delivers strong suction to easily remove dirt and debris. Featuring nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries, it ensures consistent, long-lasting performance without the hassle of cords. A lightweight and portable design makes pool cleaning effortless, while the 94-inch telescoping aluminum shaft allows you to reach every corner. This vacuum includes 2 interchangeable brush heads, a USB charging cable, and a shaft adapter for maximum versatility. Plus, the automatic shutoff feature activates when the vacuum is not submerged, and the IPSAX 8 waterproof switch provides added durability. Whether you're cleaning a pool, spa, or hot tub, the Intex Handheld Pool Vacuum is the perfect tool for the job. Make pool maintenance easy. Order yours today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.